Hi guys, welcome to DP Kids. Today we're going to make some finger puppets. And the reason we're going to make these finger puppets is because my guy Roland thinks that horses say moo and sheep are cows. So he's a little bit mixed up. So I thought, let's make things fun and see how he goes. So making finger puppets today, all you need to do is go to my blog, dpkids.wordpress.com, print out the stencil and follow along the making, which we'll show next. After I've shown you quickly how to put them together, we will cut to some video of Roland and I playing with the puppets so you can get some ideas of how to play with them with your little one, teaching them animal sounds and obviously what the animals are. Go and have some fun. So first you'll need to go and print the stencil at my blog like I mentioned earlier, and you'll need some scissors, either some double-sided tape or some sticky tape. You'll need a glue stick. You'll need something to stick your puppets to, so you could use some straws, a paddle pop stick, or some strips of paper that you can turn around, or even just paper rolls that you'll have at home. So first thing you're going to want to do is cut out around the animal that you're working on, and you're going to glue them to some cardstock or some coloured paper, anything that you have lying around at home, and then you're going to cut out around it again. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close as you can to the edge will be fine. And then basically all you do is, however you're choosing to stick it on, today I'm choosing straws. You can use sticky tape and tape that down, use a glue stick to stick it to paper rolls or strips of paper that fit onto your fingers. But today I'm going to use some double-sided tape, just pop it on the back, stick it on the straw, and then they're all done. Just continue till they're all made.
What does the horse say? What does the horse say? Nay, good remembering. What does the sheep say? That's right. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had what did he have? What's this one?
Cow.
A cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a, what does he say? Moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's do this one. Are you ready? Let's hide the two cows. Hide them. Ready? Where is cow? Where is cow? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, cow? Very well, I thank you. Moo moo moo. Moo moo moo. Or what about the horse on the farm says neigh neigh neigh, neigh neigh neigh,
No,
neigh
bus.
neigh neigh. That is the bus song, isn't it? But the horse on the farm says neigh 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 all day long. Pig. The pig on the farm says oink oink oink. Oink oink oink. The pig on the farm says all day long. What else is there? Should we do, what if we do this one? What if we do this one? What are these ones?
Hiking.
What are they?
Horse.
How many? Hide them. Ready? Where is horse? Where is horse? Here he is. Here he is. How are you today, horse? Very well, I thank you. Moo, moo, moo. Do horses say moo? No. What do horses say? That's right, silly mummy. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh.
More.
More?
More hiking.
More hiding. Do you want to do one? Do you want to do piggies? You go 2 pigs. 1 pig. Here's 2. 2 pigs. Ready? How are you today, pig? Very well, I thank you. What does pig say? He says, good job. Do you want to do the horse?
Yeah.
There you go.
Where is cow?
No, what is it? Horse.
Horse.
Yes.
Horse.
Horse.
Yes.
See? Horse. Okay.
Where horse? Where horse? Here he is. Here's how I say that.
Very well, I thank you. Nay, 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 nay.
Whoa!
Whoa! Sterling's really jumping over there, isn't he?
Very cow. Very cow.
Have a look. Is it a cow? No. What are these ones?
Cow.
Do you want to swap and do cow? Here you go.
Where is cow? Where is cow? Here he is. How is that?
Very well, I thank you. What does he say?
Moo.
Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Good job, Rolly.
So how did you go with that? Did you have fun with your little one making puppets and singing some songs? I'd love to see you over on my Facebook page. Upload some photos of you and your little one playing, as well as checking out what else we've got available on there. So please subscribe. Have fun. Bye.